Okay, let's all work from home. Let's think about our brands. Let's think about a positive future for everyone. You know what? That's kind of quite a bourgeoisie, privileged position to be in. You know, we make our money, or we work virtually, or we work in teams where we can work from home, and you know, we'll be okay. We can afford to go to the more expensive supermarkets and buy the nicer things like the nut butters and the oat milks and whatever. I'm being a little facetious, and there's a lot of people, I mean, including myself, that are very privileged in the world. I mean, I run a business. It has been hit incredibly, but at the same time, I've got reserves and I've got the ability to really hunker down and do other work and to do some remote consultancy and whatever. But think about the people that are hourly workers that are on the breadline, the people that really have to like work hard to pay their rents, to put food in their mouths, to feed their families, to buy provisions for medical uses and otherwise, because they're not going to have an easy time. In fact, they're going to have an terribly difficult time. So I would like to see that, like, governments, I mean, I'm in Canada, so it's not as tough, I don't think, to think in this way of giving to each other in communities. And I think that humanity's good as a whole to sort of give back and to support each other. And we've seen stories from all over the world. But I do think that we all need to recognize that our own situations are just part of a very large puzzle in the world. Billions of people have been affected already and are being affected every day. And the people that are on the breadline are going to need help. And I think that those with privilege have to set up some things to really help them. It needs to come from government. It probably needs to come from these community organizations and from these large companies that profit from community involvement. So, yeah, don't just think about the situation, maybe act. I'm going to go away and try and have a think about what I can do. I'm going to try and see if there are other people out there that are actually thinking in the same way, and I'll report back.